Hello, Moondoggie here, and welcome to the final episode of The Punisher. So we've come a long way, but it's about time we wrap her up. So if we go to our war journal, we've killed everybody. Everybody except the Kingpin, of course, because that's Spider-Man's villain. But yeah, Jigsaw, the last guy. So it's about time we finish this. Hope y'all ready for this.
I'm in Rikers now, waiting for my chance.
Y'all ready? I'm ready. Now, I remember fighting Jigsaw, and he was kind of a douche.
6 hours of this and we're right back where we started.
You one uncooperative SOB, Castle.
You're welcome.
So this is how it ends, Castle? Your enemy's all dead and you stuck here in a prison cell for the rest of your life?
Not quite. John Saint's still alive.
But he's in prison too. In fact, he's being held right here in Rikers.
Yes, he is.
You can't be planning. How?
The Eternal Sun's not gonna leave him here. When they strike, I strike.
You're crazy. This is a maximum security prison.
That don't mean nothing.
I don't know how you knew this was gonna happen.
Stay quiet and stay here with Molly. All hell's gonna break loose. They're gonna free all the inmates and escape in the confusion.
What about you?
I'm gonna kill all the inmates and escape in the confusion.
You heard him. We're gonna kill all the inmates.
You done the right thing, Soap. All along.
You ready for this? Oh, I'm so ready for this. Oh, I've been so ready for this. I'm nervous though. I'm real nervous. Alright.
This place is gonna explode. Gotta find Jigsaw before he gets away.
You're an asshole, Dixon, and I got a lead enema for you.
Shut up.
Thanks, Castle. I owe you one. Yeah, okay. We could use the help.
Give me a gun.
Help yourself. And good luck.
Thank you. And you stay here. Don't want you getting shot out there.
Kill him, you morons!
Castle, upstairs! They got my buddy up there and he's got the keys to get out of here!
Jigsaw, bring it, Castle! We ain't never getting out of here! You're dead, asshole! Get the hell out of here!
God damn it. Show your face. Show your face. God damn it. Sorry I couldn't help the officer.
This ain't happening!
Oh, it's happening. Don't get it twisted.
Locked. Someone must have keys.
Hey, buddy. Well, your friend's dead upstairs. I'm sorry, bro. I wish I could have did better. Give me all the ammo. ammo.
SWAT team's here.
Eat shit
Good
and
luck.
die, Ramsey!
Yeah. Man, this sucks. What's he doing here? We ain't never getting out of here. Don't kill me.
Shit, man, what are you doing?
Oh. Are you a Jigsaw? Oh, man. I'm gonna die. Oh. Had enough? You wouldn't shoot a former Fortune 500 CEO, would you?
Yeah, I would. Where'd you go?
Haven't hit me yet.
Shit! You belong in prison, Punisher!
I surrender. Put me in solitary. You ain't gonna hurt me, are you?
Now, back to you.
Who started the riot?
Hey, cut this shit out. This ain't funny. I don't know. It just happened.
That's not telling me nothing.
With a turd that big, flushed twice.
He didn't tell me nothing, so he's dead now.
Shit. No sick days in 20 years.
All
Now I
guards,
get
report
shot.
to staging areas immediately. This is not a drill.
What's up here?
We knew this would be risky. We had to stop the SWAT.
Hi, buddy.
Where's Jigsaw?
I know of no Jigsaw! You do not scare me, Punisher. Warden's office! Jigsaw is heading there!
Oh, thank you for telling me. Come over here, buddy. Bye-bye. Uh-oh. What? Wow, one got away with no health. He won't get far. He's bleeding to death as we speak. Oh wow, that's it. Okay, then we're moving on. We're pushing forward. And that's what we want. We push forward. Alright.
Didn't think I'd left that many Yakuza alive.
Can anybody hear me? They're slaughtering us in the workshop. We need help.
You like little kids, you sick fuck? We're gonna make this slow and painful.
He's worth 50 G's to do something. Don't do anything crazy, man.
Let's kick some ass.
Come on, man, leave me alone. Okay, it was a mistake to shoot at you. I'm sorry.
Get the gate open! The Punisher's killing them in there!
Think I'm scared of you? Oh! You wouldn't shoot an unarmed man, would you? Jigsaw's offering. Bring it, you piece of shit! Back off, asshole! Go shit on somebody else! Okay, it was a mistake to shoot at you. I'm sorry. Now, let's get him.
We can have fun,
Piece of shit.
Okay, it was.
Weapons. Where can I find more?
I'm dead anyway. Get it over with.
Wait.
I don't know shit, man. Think they tell me anything?
Really? Come on.
An upstairs cell. Molotovs. Oh, fuck, it hurts.
If hell is a choir, they've got a new soprano.
Upstairs. One of the got a lot of Molotovs. Thank you.
Run, you fucking pigs! Run! Who let you out of your cage? Oh! Oh!
Now's a good time to tell me something useful.
Oh! What the hell are you doing? I don't know shit! Jigsaw's looking for you!
No shit.
Huh?
That's weird. Oh, that's weird.
All personnel, evacuate the administration wing immediately. Repeat, evacuate admin wing immediately.
Burn, fuckers! Leave me alone!
Okay, everything's
First
good
objective
over
achieved. Proceeding to second objective. Shit! Think I'm scared of you?
No more guards, but look who's here.
Situation critical in G block. Multiple officers down and... oh shit! Castle's loose too! You wanna leave? I'll let ya!
Whoa, don't go that way. I almost barbecue myself. Hey, buddy.
Open the gates, I need to get through.
Got my orders, Castle. No can do.
Your orders are getting guards killed in there.
Just go back to your cell. We got things under control.
I'd hate to see things when they're out of control.
I'm needed elsewhere. Go back to your cell.
Death row. Those animals still better be in their cages.
Hey, who's there? What the fuck's going on?
Better find out who's here first.
Hey, come on, let me out! You gotta let me out of here. They're gonna kill me.
Who are you?
Ronnie the Ripper.
You killed all those housewives back in '91.
Glad you remember. How about letting me out of here?
What's in it for me? What's in it for me?
There's a stash of guns and shit nearby. They're yours if you let me out.
Deal.
Hurry, it's the box back there on the wall. Who's there? Thanks, I owe you. What's your name?
Frank Castle.
You're fucking me? You're the Punisher! Oh, shit! I don't want to die!
Don't recall, Ripper. Your execution date got moved. Where's that stash of weapons?
Oh! Fuck you, man! I heard about the shit you do! Oh! I only said that so you'd let me out!
Oh, really? I don't like being lied to. You know what? I may not even be interested in those weapons. I might just want to just be killing you to kill you. You know how it is.
It's in a utility hallway. Upstairs.
Only place in New York you can still smoke indoors.
Utility hallway upstairs. Let's see. Huh. I guess down here. Oh. Making progress. 15 minutes? Oh, not bad. We're doing pretty good. I wonder how long this level will take us, considering we gotta fight Jigsaw.
Weapon stash should be nearby.
Shotgun not gonna do me no good.
Make that pig die nice and slow.
Enough cops have died today.
That castle? He don't look so... You're weak, crap, not you! Let me go or shoot me. Just suck to be him.
Yeah, it's gonna be something to be you too.
Tell me why you shouldn't die right now.
Fuck you! I'm yours! Life in here is like being dead! You got nothing, Punisher!
Come on, tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Fuck. Fuck. I know your neck is ready to snap. Come on. Damn it.
Okay, I can help you with guys in the next room. Let me do the talking.
No, I'm good. You just hang out. I mean, the weapon stash should be downstairs now. Too bad I couldn't say that cop, but you know, it's whatever.
Don't let him leave here alive! Come on, man, leave me alone!
He was gonna die anyway!
Oh, man, what are you doing?
Come here and fight, Tommy!
I thought you were...
Thanks for the ammo.
Having fun, Punish? Hey, he's the one Jigsaw wants. He never done nothing to you.
He done a lot to me. Where the fucker go? Time for a special interrogation, eh? Please, don't interrupt.
Where can I find more weapons?
You killed my brother, asshole! Screw you! I got nothing, man! There's Molotovs by the press in the corner.
I mean, I got Molotovs, but thank you.
Don't talk to no more. We need some help.
Let me through. I can keep you alive.
He's over here. Hey, is that him?
Kill him!
Freaking shoot him, somebody. he get in here?
You wanna...
Talk or die, right now.
Oh, I had nothing to do with anything. I swear. Oh man, I know what you're gonna do to me.
Yeah.
You're worth 50 G's to Jigsaw, even more alive.
Wow, 50 G's. I thought it'd be a lot more than that. Alrighty. Oh wow. Now we're at 20 minutes. So it's like each part takes 10 minutes. Want to make sure we're making good time on this, concerning the fact that I find Jigsaw himself gonna be kind
Jigsaw's running out of places to hide.
There he
We
is.
can take him.
Jigsaw's gonna take it out of here for whoever Stop him, fools, or I will kill you myself. Get out of my way! You die now!
Are y'all done? Everybody done?
Where's Jigsaw?
You will know when...
Oh, oops. Sorry. I was too happy. I was a little too happy. Man, I just offed his head.
Coward!
Come on, tough guy!
Talk or die, right now.
You are without honor! I have nothing to tell you! Jigsaw blames you for his disfigurement!
Aww, well, too bad.
This is the Punisher?
Yeah.
Takagi-san will reward us for his death. Here we can take him. You deserve that! He is here! This won't be too hard.
Talk or die, right now.
You will die for this!
You need all
I
the
can
help
tell
with
you
Jigsaw.
not. With Jigsaw free, the Eternal Sun will rule the city!
Any last words?
Takagi-san will reward us for his death.
Missed again!
Wait, is that... We can take him.
Everyone, he's here!
His head was too tempting a target. No! Is that the best you can do?
Where is he?
I hear you got something to tell me.
You will die for this! I can tell you nothing! With Jigsaw free, the Eternal Sun will rule the city!
Okay, that's nice. Shut up.
You don't scare me!
He looks tired. We can take him.
Got him.
Stop there! You don't scare me!
Talk or die, right
Like I
now.
said, you need all the help.
You are without honor! I have nothing to tell you! Jigsaw blames you for his disfigurement!
Okay, that's nice. I don't care.
You die now, Punisher!
Oh shit, oh shit.
You are so tough!
He found us! Forgive me, Hara! Get them, you coward! Stop.
I didn't expect them to attack me so hard. They took all my health.
I hear you got something to tell me.
You are without honor! I have nothing to tell you! Jigsaw blames you for his disfigurement!
Like, they took all my health. I hope I can make it.
Missed again!
Oh shit.
You die now, Punisher!
I hear you got something to tell me.
I will tell you nothing.
Give me
You
help.
cannot force me to talk. Jigsaw commands us to regroup on the roof.
Prepare to die!
Talk or die, right now.
I will not shame myself.
It's like I'm not getting my health back. It's like
Jigsaw plans to hold the warden hostage.
I don't care about the warden. I'm mad that I got no health.
Here's the warden's office. Where's Jigsaw?
Fall back to the roof. We're expecting guests.
I'm only at half health, barely that, and I gotta fight Jigsaw. Ugh. Ew. I'm not looking forward to this. I'm not looking forward to this. Oh, this is it. This is it. We fight him here.
Oh shit! Oh, that hurts.
Sounds like the little pig is still alive, Castle! I'll fix that, right after I'm done with you!
John Saint. Or do you go by Jigsaw now?
So how exactly do I beat him? Like, I literally do not remember how to beat him.
Fitting you should die in a prison, isn't it?
Ow.
Now's a good time to tell me something useful.
I will tell you nothing. You cannot force me to talk. Jigsaw commands us to regroup on the roof.
Oh, the more I kill them, the more I get the
I'm gonna miss you when you're dead, Castle.
Get out here now! This is the Punisher?
Yes, I'm the Punisher. Now, would you come here, please? I'm here.
You don't scare me!
Well, I could. You come closer.
Come on, Castle. Let's see some punishment.
Come on, tough guy!
I hear you got something to tell me.
It does not matter what you do to me. You are wasting your time.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
You're weak and you're gonna die.
Oh, I got him. I know how to fix him.
I'm gonna miss you when you're dead,
Bullets
Castle.
won't penetrate that armor. Maybe his jetpack.
That's what I'm trying to do. Shit. Hey, buddy.
Fitting you should die in a prison, isn't it?
Now's a good time to tell me something useful.
I will tell you nothing. You cannot force me to talk. Jigsaw commands us to regroup on the roof. Oh!
That's nice. Alright, where is he?
Slowing down in your old age, Castle?
No, just you. Okay,
Get
now.
out here now!
Alright, he's on ground floor
You
now.
don't scare me!
Fitting you should die in a prison, isn't it?
Oh, fuck me, he's here.
Slowing down in your old age, Castle?
Oh. So that's how that works. I gotta trick him.
Missed again! I sure miss your family, Frank. Don't you?
Ouch. I wish you didn't do that.
Fitting you should die in a prison, isn't it?
Stop shooting at me. Stop shooting at me.
You're weak and you're gonna die. Castle! Let's...
Ouch, I'm really hurting.
You die now, Punisher!
Why do I not have common sense not to do that? Damn it, 35 minutes? God, find him as a
sure
bitch.
miss your family, Frank. Don't you?
I miss the fact that you used to be easier to kill. I'm lying, of course. You still hard and still an asshole.
With your dead, this city will be mine.
That's nice. Uh-oh.
You aren't so tough.
Hi, buddy.
Come on, Castle! Let's see some punishment!
I'm trying. Like, what the hell you think I'm trying to do?
This is the Punisher?
Like, I'm not trying to play with you, that's for damn sure.
Come on, tough guy! Oh!
You're weak and you're gonna die.
Well, I hope you die before me.
Show yourself. I know you're there.
Where are you? I heard your voice.
Show yourself. You die now, Punisher.
Come on, Castle! Let's see some punishment!
Uh-oh.
You aren't so tough.
I'm in trouble. Tough ain't got nothing to do with it. I'm in trouble. There's a difference. Problem is, I cannot let him see the satchel charge or he'll blow it up like an asshole. It's hard. And you gotta predict which way he's gonna come, and that's annoying.
This city will be mine.
Yeah, that's nice. I see you. Uh-oh. Well, that's bad. That's just bad.
Show your...
Going on 40 minutes, I'm still
You should die
fighting
in
his
prison,
asshole.
isn't it?
You can die first, but you just die so retardedly. Like, you gotta use freaking Iron Man armor to even last against me. Other villains didn't last, I just killed them. Don't kill me, no, no, no! A fucking soldier killed me! Motherfucker, a fucking soldier killed me. Don't you just hate that? The character that's not even part of the fight kills you?
I have you now.
I hear you got something to tell me.
When you're dead, It does not matter what you do to me. You await. Jigsaw will kill you when you meet. Ah! Oh!
3 satchel charges. I need a hell of a lot more.
Slowing down in your old
Ouch.
age, Castle.
Man, he refusing to come over here. Why is he refusing? Oh, this is so dumb. Oh, now he want to move.
We're all that's left of our family's castle.
Bullets won't penetrate that armor. Maybe his jetpack.
This is so annoying.
Slowing down in your old age, Castle?
No, I'm just cheating as hard as I can.
You're weak and you're gonna die.
Uh-oh. Hey, buddy.
We're all that's left of our family's castle. I know you're there.
Where'd he go? Ow.
You aren't so tough.
What the fuck are this?
Fitting you should die in a prison, isn't it? Missed again!
Like, he the biggest, he the biggest douche on the planet to fight.
Come on! You aren't so tough! Let's see some punishment!
Are you fucking kidding me?
This is your last dance, Castle. Make it good.
So, considering the fact that having this douchebag keep responding is kind of annoying, and I would rather, like, know where he is at all times, so I'm not going to kill him. Because, again, not knowing where he is annoying, because he could come out of nowhere, shoot me, and guess what? I'm just dead to be dead. Alright, where this douchebag at? I know he's following my every footstep.
I've been looking for you! I'm gonna miss you when you're dead, Castle. Oh!
I said I was gonna kill him, but he was pissing me off. So I killed him. Ah ha 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 ouch.
Is that the best you can do?
You die now, Punisher!
Fuck my life.
Slowing down in your old age, Castle?
No, you just an asshole.
Missed again!
Where'd he go? Oh,
Show
titties.
yourself! I know you're there!
Oh boy, oh fucking titties. Why me, why me? Why fucking me?
You aren't so tough!
Why me of all people?
Fitting you should die in a prison, isn't
I
it?
found you! Missed again!
So I know what I gotta do to kill him. Conveniently kill him. I know what I gotta do. I know what I gotta do. So I'm hopefully, you know what, screw it.
Is that the best you can do?
The funny thing about this game, there are no cheats or shortcuts. It's like one of those you have to take it. Are you done?
Fitting you should die in a prison, isn't it?
Hey. I'm over here. Do your other attack. Come and get me. Oh boy. Ow.
Is that the best you can do?
Come on, tough guy!
Don't you fucking kill me. Oh, if you fucking killed me, I would have been pissed. Come on, heal faster, please. Please, a little more. Hey, buddy.
Come on, Castle! Let's see some punishment!
God damn it. He will be a fuck artist, I swear. Why can't you just die like normal people?
Fitting you should die in a prison, isn't it?
Can you die first? It'll be more fitting. Just saying. Where is he?
Show yourself!
You're weak
I know
and you're
you're
gonna
there.
die!
You die now, Punisher!
Ah, titties. Ah. Come on, please don't do this. Don't be a vagina. Let me kill him. Just let me kill him.
I sure miss your family, Frank. Don't you?
done being a bumbling baby? Take that. I'm running. I'm moving.
Is that the best you can do?
You'll see what I can do after I kill you. So don't worry. You will see all the things. The problem is we got a guard back here patrolling for no goddamn reason. Is he still back here? That's who I'm.
With you dead, this city will be mine.
That's who I'm nervous about. Like that one fucking guard who's MIA. Like the one guard. It's like really. Come on, one more. I think he needs one more. Oh, hi, buddy. Buddy.
This is your last dance, Castle. Make it good.
He need one more. I'll get the one from over here. I would literally suicide with him right now to call it quits, because this took an hour, and that's because he's an asshole.
Fitting you should die in a prison, isn't it?
Where is he? I'm finishing this shit right now. Come and get me. Are you fucking kidding me? He walked into that. He walked into that.
This is your last dance, Castle. Make it good.
Keep shooting at me, please. It's over. I did it.
How about a little help here? Please?
No.
Jigsaw! This is Captain Batelli. The chopper's almost here. Just be patient.
So, what are you gonna do with Jigsaw?
Kill him.
Oh, please don't do that. I'll catch so much shit. He's in police custody.
Not yet, he isn't.
Jigsaw!
Release your hostage and you're free to go. You have my word.
I don't know why the audio's doing that.
Jigsaw, this is not the deal. Release the hostage.
There you go.
Released into your custody.
And that's the end of the Punisher, everybody.
This is the final insult. An assault on my home must be avenged. If I let this stand, my enemies will see it as a fatal weakness. The Punisher must die. And at my hands. Since my current employees have failed me, other measures will be undertaken.
I hope y'all enjoyed that. Well, everybody, I hope you all enjoyed the show. I hope you enjoyed the BS fight of freaking fighting Jigsaw. I told you I hate fighting Jigsaw. The worst fight ever could have invented. But it's done, and we did it. So with that said, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the series of The Punisher. Until then, everybody, thank you all for watching. And please continue on watching. And as always, I will see all of you when the next moon rises.